Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's another exciting evening. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. So if you have not, please like and subscribe to my videos, to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and let's get into this video. So I got another PR package. I don't get PR, but I'm so thankful for the little bit of PR that I'm getting. All this hard work and dedication's kind of finally paying off. You know, this is what I would like to do. Just reviewing products for you guys and just making, you know, really nice videos and showing you what I can do too. So anyways, I am super excited because this is from a friend of mine actually who just started up his own company. His company is called Twisted Crown Beauty. Look how pretty the bag is. Like, he designed this himself, and he's also a drag queen here in Florida. I will list everything for my friend Dammon, who I went to beauty school with, and I met him and we just hit it off right away. But Dammon, thank you so much for sending me this, and I can't wait to show these items. Please go support him. He is such a wonderful person, and you know, it's always good to also give the indie brands a chance too, because sometimes the indie brands they take care of the customers a little bit more than the bigger brands. You know, I'm not gonna knock the big brands, but it's just important to also take care of the indie brands just as much as the big ones. Anyways, let's get into this package because I'm rambling. So my friend Dammon, he's a drag queen as well, and he is really beautiful as a queen that he is inside. So he gave me all these goodies, and like, this is so cute. Like, this is his logo, Twisted Crown Beauty. Here's a little keychain. Naomi Wynters, that is who she is in all her glory. She is so beautiful. Miss NaomiWynters.com. I will list everything down below for you guys. Here's a little sticker, a little holographic sticker. I love holographic stickers, they're so pretty. And there's his logo on it. So, Twisted Crown Beauty. He sent me over 2 lashes right here. This is in the style Vamp, and I'm gonna open it and show you. This is in the style Stunna. These are both 14 and 15 millimeters, so these are gonna be a little bit big. That's okay. The packaging is really nice on this. Look how pretty the packaging is. And he also included all instructions and on like how to take care of it. Wow, that's really thoughtful. Oh, these are super pretty. Oh, and he has his little logo on there too. Look how pretty. Look how nice. Thank you, Dammon. These are gorgeous. And then they have the little magnetic closer to it, so that's really nice, and it feels really nice too. Like, this is really, really pretty and really, really nice. Oh, I'm super excited for Dammon to see how far he'll go with his company. This is the other style in Stunna, and the packaging on this is silver and this one's gold. I like both packaging as I felt it. Oh, these are pretty too. Aww. So these are the other style here. Very, very pretty. Thank you, Dammon. I love them. I can't wait to do another look, and I will use your lashes on my next look. I do. Put them back in the package because I'm one of those girls that like to keep everything in the package. I'm just weird like that. Okay, he also sent over 2 lippies. Here they are here. Okay, anyways, but these are the 2 lippies he sent over, so let's just open them and see what they look like. Oh, are they lip gloss or oh wow. Okay, so this is this one. Oh, they're lip gloss. Okay. Oh, it feels really nice on. This is like a rose, maybe a dark burgundy with a gold hints in it. Very, very pretty. If I can get it to focus. If not, I will take pictures and it'll be up on my Instagram tomorrow. This is number 7. Very, very pretty, and there it is there. There, you can see it better there. And then he sent me number 24. And number 24 is, oh, okay, this one's a liquid lip and a lip gloss. Okay, I love this color. Look how gorgeous this color is. Oh my gosh. It is definitely like my vibes. I love these types of colors. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, This one smells too. This one smells kind of like grape. It's kind of like a vampy maroon type of color. A vampy plum purple maroon. I love it. I wonder if I can put it over. And I shouldn't do that. This is going to be really pretty for the fall. I can't wait for the fall. There it is. It's on. I love it. It's so pretty and it feels really nice on the lips. Oh, Damien, thank you so much for sending me these goodies over. I am super excited to share them with my subscribers, and I will link everything in my description box below, and I will take pictures and they'll be on Instagram this week. So again, go check out my friend's business. I will link everything. He has everything on his card here, so here is everything here. So go check out Twisted Crown Beauty. Before Alice got to Wonderland, she had to fall, and I'm about to fall because I'm tired now. But thank you again, Damien, for sending me these goodies. Again, I said it like 4 times. I'm super excited to see where your company goes and how far you can go in your life, and I just wish you all the best. And again, thank you so much. Alright everybody, I'm out. Good night.